Apple is finally making a phone that can be folded, and you'll be able to get it soon. Google, Samsung, and most of the other companies have had folded phones for years, but Apple has been slow to catch on. Mark Gurman of Bloomberg says that 2026 is the year. Along with the iPhone 18 Pro models, the iPhone Fold is also coming out. And the information that just got out is very interesting. Let's start. This iPhone is different from all the others you've used. It's not like the iPhone gets bigger when you unfold the iPhone Fold. It feels like being on an iPad. Bloomberg says that when the device is opened, the screen will look a lot like what you see on an iPad. You'll be able to run 2 apps at the same time on an iPhone for the first time. This is huge. On the main screen of a new iPhone, you can't really switch between tasks at the same time. It does more than just that limited picture-in-picture mode for calls and movies. Apple may add sidebars to apps along the left edge of the screen, like you see on iPad apps now. This isn't just an iPhone mode with more space. It's a completely new experience that makes use of the bigger surface that can be folded up. Apple is also aware that developers need to get ready. It is said that they're working on developer tools that will let app developers change their current apps to work with this bigger screen. So, your favorite apps should be ready to go by the time the game comes out. Allow us to now talk about what this thing looks like. Gurman says that the iPhone Fold is basically a mix of an iPhone and an iPad mini. It looks like a normal iPhone when it's folded, with a normal screen on the outside. But when you open it up, it's more like an iPad mini in size. This is the list of numbers. The screen on the outside should be 5.5 inches, but the screen on the inside is 7.58 inches. For comparison, the reported Samsung Wide Fold has a 5.35-inch screen on the outside and a 7.58-inch screen on the inside. But Apple isn't going with the same option as most foldables here. They're getting bigger. Reports say the aspect ratio is 4:3, which is more like how Google made the Pixel Fold than how Samsung made its Z Fold line, which is tall and thin. It should feel more natural to work and watch media when it's unfolded thanks to its wider design. Let's talk about specs. The iPhone Fold is likely to have 2 cameras on the back and 2 cameras on the front, so there are good camera sets on both sides of the phone. It is said that Apple will use the A20 Pro processor, which is based on 2nm node technology. That is very advanced silicone, and it should work as well as we expect Apple's Pro products to.